Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: Understanding repr in Python modules. Introduction. In Python, the __repr__ method is a special method that returns a string representation of an object. This method is often used to provide a human-readable representation of the object and is primarily used for debugging and development purposes. While it's most commonly associated with classes and objects, it can also be used in Python modules. In this tutorial, we will explore how to implement the __repr__ method in a Python module, why you might want to do this, and how it can be beneficial for your code. When you create an instance of MyClass and call repr on it, you get a string representation of the object. Here's how you can add a __repr__ method to a Python module. Now, when you import the mymodule and call repr on it, you'll get the custom module representation. Benefits of using repr in modules. A documentation. Providing a custom representation for a module can serve as documentation, helping other developers understand the purpose and content of the module. B. Debugging. During development, having a custom representation for a module can aid in debugging and testing by providing quick insight into the module's contents. When to use repr in modules. Best practices. Conclusion. While the __repr__ method is commonly used with classes and objects, it can also be implemented in Python modules to provide a human-readable representation of the module. This can be useful for documentation and debugging, making your code more transparent and maintainable. ChatGPT.